Welcome to my channel NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate lens into the world of technology, bringing you the latest updates, groundbreaking innovations, and future-shaping trends. From cool gadgets to tech insights, we've got it all. Let's tech it up and explore the future together.
The Earth is in crisis. Climate change is accelerating and the clock is ticking. But what if the solution to saving our planet isn't human at all? Artificial intelligence is stepping in, revolutionizing how we combat climate change. From predicting hurricanes before they hit to optimizing renewable energy, AI might just be our best hope. The energy sector is one of the biggest contributors to carbon emissions, but AI is making our energy greener. Smart grids use AI to predict energy demand and distribute electricity more efficiently, reducing waste. In solar farms, AI optimizes panel angles based on weather data, increasing efficiency by up to 20%. And in wind energy, AI predicts wind speeds to adjust turbine rotations, maximizing power generation. Even large-scale battery storage, like Tesla's AI-powered power grids, help store excess renewable energy for when we need it most. Natural disasters are becoming more frequent and intense. But what if we could predict them before they strike? AI-driven climate models process vast amounts of data, predicting hurricanes, floods, and wildfires with higher accuracy than ever before. When AI accurately predicted Hurricane Harvey's intensity, emergency response teams could act faster, saving thousands of lives. AI-powered drones can detect wildfires before they spread, alerting firefighters early and preventing catastrophic damage. Deforestation is a silent crisis. Every second, we lose a chunk of the Amazon rainforest the size of a football field. But AI is helping to fight back. AI analyzes satellite images to detect illegal logging and deforestation patterns in real time, allowing governments to take action before it's too late. Even the sounds of chainsaws deep in the jungle can be identified by AI, alerting authorities immediately. The food industry is responsible for nearly 25% of global emissions. AI is stepping in to make agriculture smarter and more sustainable. Smart irrigation systems powered by AI monitor soil moisture and provide just the right amount of water, reducing waste by up to 50%. Vertical farms controlled by AI use 90% less water and produce crops faster, without the need for pesticides or deforestation. But AI isn't perfect. Training AI models requires massive computational power, leading to significant energy consumption. However, AI is also optimizing its own efficiency, making data centers greener and reducing their carbon footprint. There's also the risk of corporations using AI as a marketing tool while continuing harmful environmental practices. We need transparency and accountability. AI alone won't solve climate change, but it's a powerful tool in the fight to save our planet. The real question is, how will we use it? From smart homes that cut energy waste to AI-driven climate policies, we all have a role to play. What do you think? Can AI truly save the planet? Or is it just another tool in human hands? Our oceans, the lungs of the planet, are under siege from pollution, overfishing, and climate change. But AI is diving deep to help restore marine ecosystems. AI models can predict coral bleaching by analyzing ocean temperatures, allowing conservationists to intervene before entire reefs are lost. AI-powered drones can detect and map plastic waste across vast ocean surfaces, helping cleanup crews target the most affected areas efficiently. Even more fascinating, AI is being used to decode whale songs, helping us better understand and protect these majestic creatures from human interference. Air pollution causes over 7 million premature deaths every year, but AI is stepping up to clean the air we breathe. AI-powered sensors monitor air quality in real time, identifying pollution hotspots and enabling local governments to take immediate action. In cities like Beijing and Los Angeles, AI optimizes traffic flow to reduce congestion and cut vehicle emissions, improving air quality for millions. The question remains, will we use AI to save our planet or let it slip through our fingers? The power isn't just in AI, it's in us. What's your take? Can AI truly help fight climate change, or are we overestimating its power? Comment below and let's discuss. Technology is best when it brings people together. Matt Mullenweg. The Earth does not belong to us. We belong to the Earth. Marley Matlin. Water scarcity is a growing concern worldwide. AI is helping to manage and conserve water resources more efficiently. AI-powered irrigation systems monitor soil moisture and weather conditions to optimize water usage, reducing waste. In urban areas, AI analyzes water consumption patterns to detect leaks and promote water-saving practices. By making water management smarter, AI is playing a crucial role in addressing the global water crisis. Wildlife populations are declining at an alarming rate. AI is stepping in to protect endangered species. AI-powered cameras and drones monitor wildlife habitats, detecting poaching activities and alerting authorities in real time. AI also analyzes animal behavior and migration patterns, helping conservationists develop effective protection strategies. By leveraging AI, we can better safeguard our planet's biodiversity. The transportation sector is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. AI is revolutionizing how we move. Autonomous electric vehicles powered by AI reduce emissions and improve traffic flow. AI also optimizes public transportation systems, making them more efficient and reducing the need for private car usage. By transforming transportation, AI is helping to create a more sustainable future. Cities are home to more than half of the world's population and are major sources of pollution. GAP3S AI is making cities smarter and greener. AI-powered systems optimize energy usage in buildings, reducing waste and lowering emissions. Smart waste management systems use AI to improve recycling rates and reduce landfill waste. By integrating AI into urban planning, we can create more sustainable and livable cities. AI in climate education, GAP3S. Education is key to addressing climate change. AI is enhancing climate education and awareness. AI-powered platforms provide personalized learning experiences, helping individuals understand the impact of their actions on the environment. Virtual reality experiences powered by AI immerse users in climate scenarios, fostering empathy and encouraging sustainable behaviors. By educating and empowering people, AI is driving positive change.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.